Purpose is the new addiction. But here's the twist: it's not something you find, it's something you build. And if you're chasing it, you're already losing. I've been that guy, jumping from course to course, chasing the next big mission, thinking purpose was a lightning bolt. It wasn't, it was a lie. I was hiding in the seeking because I was scared of choosing. Today, we're shattering a seductive lie, the purpose trap, why chasing meaning is making you miserable. Because purpose isn't found, it's built through aligned action. Let's figure this out together. Welcome to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential, the podcast where your transformation begins. I'm Sean Michael, and each day I'll bring you quick, impactful insights and action steps to fuel your personal and professional growth. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a leader, or someone ready to break limits and ignite greatness, this is your daily power boost to crush obstacles, stay focused, and awaken the extraordinary potential within you. Because remember, greatness begins within. Let's go. Hey there, boosters. Welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Sean Michael, here to help you lead and live from the inside out. Yesterday, we shattered the false idea of connection with the networking delusion, how most connections are just noise. But today, we're exposing a deeper deception, the myth that purpose is a destination. I've known too many who've spent years bouncing from job to job, passion to passion, thinking their one true purpose was hiding around the next corner. I need to find my passion, they say, something that makes me feel alive. But the more they searched, the emptier they felt. Because purpose isn't a place you arrive, it's something you create. First, purpose isn't a finish line. It's the fire you build with each choice, each commitment. It's not a promise, it's a process. You don't wait for it to hit you, you craft it through aligned actions. I used to think I needed a lightning bolt moment, one grand mission, but I was missing the truth. Purpose is less about a calling and more about a commitment. Second, chasing purpose makes you passive. When you're constantly seeking meaning, you become a spectator in your own life. You wait for the aha moment, but you never actually create it. Have you ever known someone who kept taking courses, reading books, seeking answers, never acting? Because they were consuming meaning, not creating it. Third, purpose is built through aligned action. Not what you say you value, but what you consistently choose. Your purpose is found in the way you show up, the things you say yes to, and what you refuse to tolerate. Purpose isn't found, it's forged in the fire of your choices. Let's take a breath and get real for a second. Where have you been searching for purpose instead of building it? What would change if you stopped seeking and started shaping? Because the truth is, you don't have to find your purpose. You have to live with purpose. So stop outsourcing meaning. Stop scrolling for it, begging for it, waiting for it. Choose it, build it, live it. If you're done chasing shadows and ready to build something real, here's your play this week. Define your values. Write down your top 3 values. These are the foundation of your purpose. Choose aligned action. List 3 ways you can live those values this week. Stop waiting, start creating. Choose one project, relationship, or habit you will build with intention. Use your clarity to choose, your courage to act, your integrity to align. Purpose isn't a destination. It's a direction you create, step by step. Not a lightning bolt from the sky. It's a slow burn, fueled by those consistent choices. You don't wait for it.
You weave it. I've shattered the lie that purpose is something I have to find. And if I can, so can you. That's today's Daily Power Boost. Pick one, define, choose, or create, and start building a purpose that's real. Show notes are packed with more insights to help you build your purpose. And if you're ready to take this work deeper, join us inside the Real Mastery Hub, where growth is grounded, transformation is real, and you lead from true identity. Visit realmasteryhub.com. Loved this? Share it with someone chasing purpose and give them their power back. Tomorrow, we're exposing another bad idea with the apology addiction, why sorry is your most toxic habit. Because over apologizing is just self sabotage. Till then, choose well, stay true, and I'll catch you tomorrow.
Thanks for tuning in to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential. Remember, transformation starts with action. So take today's insight, make it your own, and awaken your inner potential. Because remember, greatness begins within. Catch you tomorrow for your next Power Boost.